Welcome my friends. I have a beautiful cross Easter wreath for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make a beautiful cross wreath for Easter. Let me show you how to make it. For today's project, we're going to be using this cross wreath form that I did pick up from Hobby Lobby. I'm also going to be using one of these styrofoam balls. I picked these up from Dollar Tree. They are 2.4 inches in diameter. And I need to cut this in half. I usually use my paint scraper here. That gives me a nice clean cut. So I want to attach half of my ball here to the center of my wreath form. So I have half a pipe cleaner here and a floral pin. So I use the floral pin to attach that pipe cleaner. You want to add some hot glue and make sure that that pipe cleaner stays put. Once your glue is fully set up, you just want to wrap your pipe cleaners around that chicken wire. You want to get it as close to center as you can and then just tie that on. Make sure to trim and tuck those pipe cleaners. And then again, I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue here at the end of my pipe cleaners. I don't want anything sharp on the back of my wreath. I picked up this bouquet of flowers at Dollar Tree. This comes out of their plus section. It's a mixed floral bouquet for $3. If you don't have a plus section in your Dollar Tree, Walmart also sells really pretty floral bouquets like this. They're usually like $3.98, so not too much more. And on this, I'm not going to be using all the florals. That's just way too many. But I am going to use the Easter lilies. Right now I'm just going to push the greenery up. Then I'm also going to cut some of the smaller florals here and greenery. Now I have 2 Easter lilies and then 2 bundles with the little yellow flowers and 2 bundles with the greenery and the daisies. And now we're just going to be adding our florals. You can glue these on if you like, or you can just push them in. If this is going to go outside or you're going to travel with it, then I suggest you glue them in. In the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. Enjoying today's content? Please show your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing the video with your friends. I have all my florals in and I'm very happy with that. I did go around the base here and add a couple clusters of leaves to help cover that up. Now I want to add a small bow here on this side. I'm going to be using my Deluxe Easy Bow Maker today. You're going to need a full-length pipe cleaner. And then this is the ribbon I've chosen. It's by Really Good Ribbon, 1.5 inches at 10 yards. This is your basic canvas white ribbon. I'm going to measure my tail here at 6 inches, pinch and twist. And now I'm going to do 3 loops, if I have enough ribbon, on either side at 3 inches. Enjoying the content and want to see more? Make sure to hit the subscribe button When the notification bell pops up, if you hit that too, YouTube should let you know every time I upload new content. Okay, so I have my 3 loops on either side. I'm going to add one more additional loop for my center loop. Now to get back to the correct side for my tail, I'm going to come through the larger and smaller dowel rod. That helps me keep that one little piece on this side for my center loop. And then when I tie my bow, it's not going to fall apart on me. Take your full length pipe cleaner, slide it in underneath till you get next to your dowel rods. I always push down so my ribbon is nice and snug, and lift out. This is where you need to make sure that piece stays on the correct side so your bow doesn't fall apart when you tie it. Wrap your pipe cleaners around to the back, pull nice and snug, and give a couple twists. Okay, so that's approximately what your bow should look like. I'll do my final adjusting and trim my tails once I get it onto the wreath. I have my bow attached and I'm really happy with its placement. I just used the pipe cleaners and attached it here to the wreath form. Adjusted my loops till I liked it and then trimmed my tails. I decided to leave them the length they were. I'm also going to be adding one of these wooden words that I picked up from Dollar Tree. This one says risen. They also had rejoice. And I'm just going to get a good coat of acrylic white paint. This is matte finish. Time to add our last embellishment, our risen sign. I want to place this right down here. I like that very much, and I'm just going to hot glue this on. And here you go, we are complete. Our cross wreath is done. Absolutely beautiful. Nice, quick and easy. Here on the back, I did attach another loop with a chenille stem to hang it. But I think that is so pretty. Now you can do this with any color choices or whatever florals that you find. I thought the Easter lilies were fitting since this is an Easter wreath. Absolutely gorgeous. Something a little different and unique using this beautiful cross wreath frame from Hobby Lobby. Thank you so much for stopping by. You know your visit is always appreciated. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please show your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing this video with your friends. If you're looking for more Easter inspiration, you can check out my playlist by clicking right here. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should do so by clicking on this icon right here. Have a great day, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.